I'm going to go ahead and do these two problems. I know I did one of them in class, but I'm going to do number 2 as a follow-up example. Remember, this is a system, and the goal is to solve this by graphing. So we're going to identify the slope and the y-intercept of this equation here. So we have a y-intercept of 1. You're going to go up 1 over 3. Go up 1 over 3. Go up 1 over 3. You can also go down 1 and then go to the left 3 places. Go down 1, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the points. Now, we have 4x plus 2y equals 16. So we're going to write this in standard form. So we're going to subtract 4x. We're going to subtract 4x. And so you have 2y equals negative 4x plus 16. Next, you divide by 2. So you have y is equal to negative 2x plus 8. So I'm going to use a different color so we can see the difference. And I'm going to use blue here. So the y-intercept is 8. We're going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, go down 2 over 1. And it appears that the answer is 3, 2. Remember, we're going to check using Desmos. So I'm going to pause it right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and start Desmos. So I'm using Desmos to check the work. So we have, as number 1, we have 4x plus 2y equals 16. And then we have y equals 1/3, right? Here's your fraction, 1/3. X plus 1. And our answer was 3, 2. Remember that on the test, you can check your answer just like this, just writing it in standard form, and you'll get the right answer, okay? If you notice, the second equation is already, let me explain what I did here for number 2. I went ahead and subtracted 2x from both sides, and then I went ahead and divided by 10. And you notice that you get a fraction, negative 2 over 10 plus 10 over 10, which 2 over 10 reduces to 1/5 x plus 1. Remember that 2 over 10, the numerator and the denominator is divisible by 2, so you have 1 over 5, and that's how I got 1/5. That's how I got 1/5 x plus 1. I went ahead and graphed it here. It's not a very good line, but I tried my best here. We have a y-intercept of 1, and I used the slope. I went ahead and went down 1 and went over 5 until I found the intersection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the answer in Desmos. Remember that you can type in 2x plus 10y equals 10 and y equals 2/5 x minus 2. Just like that, when you take the test, you can do that and you can find the intersection.